All right, welcome everyone. Today we're going to be looking at agricultural science, and our topic will be on foods in the locality. So, by this, we mean what are the foods we can find within the area where we live. And then, within this category, we're going to look at cereals, legumes, also going to look at tuber crops and forage crops. But basically, today we're going to focus on cereal crops. Cereal crops. What are cereal crops? They are just members of the grass family grown for human and livestock consumption. We grow them, they look like grasses when you see them, but they provide food for human beings as well as animals. So these grains, these cereals, contain high amount of carbohydrates. So they are a very good source of carbohydrates. Remember when we treated the classes of food? Cereal crops provide a very high level, a very good amount of carbohydrates. So today we're going to look at what examples we have, and as well as share some pictures. Now, one of the examples of cereals is wheat. As you can see the pictures, this is wheat. So it's used for production of so many other things. Like some of you have eaten wheat bread before, right? So this is what wheat looks like. It's an example of cereal. It's an example of cereal. It's a good source of carbohydrates. Another good example is rice. Rice is a good example of cereal, and is produced almost all around the world. Remember, China is a very major producer of rice. Nigeria also produces rice in large quantities. At some point, we started exporting as well. So rice is a staple food. Many of us eat it morning, afternoon. Some take it daily, but love it so much that if they have their way, they can just take it all the time. But it's not good like that. You have to ensure you take balanced diet. Rice provides a very good amount of carbohydrates. It's a very prominent member of the cereal family. Another good one is corn. You can also call it maize. So maize provides carbohydrates as well. As you look at it, the picture there, you see that the leaves look like grasses, right? This is farming season, and it's a good season period of high bumper harvest of corn. In the villages, in the cities, all farming neighborhoods, you find corn in good quantity now. So you eat it and eat it well. It will provide you good source of carbohydrates. All right. Let's look at another example of this wonderful family. Now we're going to look at another example. It's called millet. Millet. You can see the picture here as well. We also have oats. Oats is also like grass. We also have barley. We have sorghum. There are actually quite a number of them within this family, but we are going to limit ourselves to these 7 examples. You will find out more in your assignments. And in the next class, we're going to look at the tuber crops as part of the foods we find within our locality. So, on this note, we'll be wrapping up our lesson for today. Remember to check up your pages for your assignments and turn them in good time. Thank you, and God bless you.